Welcome to the 10 minutes plank exercise routine on your fitness station. In this video, we will together do plank exercises to tone your core, legs and shoulder muscles. We have already discussed the benefits and the correct way of doing a plank. If you don't know the correct way of doing a plank exercise, you will need to watch my other video before starting this exercise routine in order to avoid back, neck and shoulder injuries. So grab that water bottle and yoga mat and let's get started. We'll start with stretching out our arms, legs and neck muscles. Stretching is a necessary step to release all the stress and relax those contracted muscles and get them ready for intense routine ahead. For warming up our body in 3 minutes, do the jumping jacks for 1 minute straight. Let's start with 3, 2 and 1. Put in energy, guys. Breathe normally. Jumping jack is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with legs spread wide and hands going overhead or sometimes in a clap, and then returning to a position with feet together and arms at sides. Taking a breather in between. Take full 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale and fill your lungs and stomach area with fresh air, exhaling out through mouth and replenishing our stamina. Now let's do another minute of jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1 and start. You are activating your whole body by jumping. Feel the energy growing inside you. Don't stop. Get going, guys. Just 20 more seconds to go. We are done with the warm-up, guys. Let's get started with our plank exercise now. We'll do our first plank for 1 minute straight, but you can start according to your level. Say if it's your first day, you can start with 15 seconds of plank and then gradually increasing your timing according to the schedule I have given in the earlier video. So are you ready? Get in a plank position and 3, 2, 1, start. Keep your body in a straight line. Put in your whole muscle energy in this plank. 40 seconds left. Squeeze in your core, squeeze in your glutes. Don't give up, guys. 20 more seconds left. Breathe. Try to inhale and exhale as normally as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Now take a breather for a minute. Sit in Vajrasan position. Deep breathe in and out. If you feel exhausted, have a small sip of water. Coming up is our next round of 1 minute plank. Get ready, guys. Now 3, 2, 1, start. Make sure that your elbows are straight below your shoulders. Keep your feet a hip width apart. Great. Now try staying in a plank position for 30 more seconds. Do you feel that core burning now? That's alright, you're doing it right. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and there you go. 1 minute of break following with our last plank. Isn't this routine easy and fun? 10 minutes a day is nothing compared to the massive result we are about to get after a month. But keep in mind maintaining a healthy diet throughout the day. Remember, you are what you eat. Say ciao to sugars and junk foods. Are you ready for the last plank of this routine? Let's start it. Get in a position. 3, 2, 1 and start. Give your best for this last one. Keep your neck relaxed. Don't give up, guys. Last 15 seconds and we are done for the day. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Congratulations, guys, you climbed that one step towards your fitness goals. Now it's time to cool down. You can stretch your muscles by doing Bhujangasana and Balasana, which outside yoga terms is known as Cobra stretch and baby pose, and then following by Shavasana. Get in the Bhujangasana or Cobra pose like this and stretch your anterior muscles. Sit in Balasana, that is baby pose, for 30 to 40 seconds. This pose will stretch your posterior and back muscles and quickly relax your body. Now following with the Shavasana. Lie in a dead body position on your mat and face to either left side or right side and close your eyes. Relax all your body parts. Just relax for 1 minute. Rub your palms and gently press them on your eyes. Slowly release your palms to open the eyes. There you go guys, we have completed our today's plank task. Make sure to follow this every day and subscribe to Your Fitness Station so that I can be with you at every step of your weight loss journey. And comment down below, I subscribed. That's all for today. See you tomorrow. Toodles!